natural like 𝓵𝓮 show me something natural like ass with some stretch marks.
Hello beautiful people, we are back with another video. It's been a while since y'all have seen my hair. It's actually blow dried right now, but I went to a dance class and I like sweated out my roots and then braided it back up. So now I'm about to rewash and blow dry my hair because I'm going to, drum roll please, straighten my hair for the first time in like 5 or 6 years. So we're gonna pray on that. Before we hop into this video, first, if you are not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to the channel and then click the little bell button next to the subscribe button so that you can be notified every time I post a new video, and then, you know, like and comment and all that other fun stuff. Yeah, all right, let's go ahead and just hop into this video. So here I'm just gonna clip my hair away into 4 sections, and then I'm gonna go and wash my hair. If you haven't seen how I wash my hair, I'm gonna clip some videos in the description box below. But after I get out the shower, my hair is freshly washed. There's no conditioner, no product in my hair at all. So I'm starting off on literally fresh hair. So that is the 𝓂𝓸𝓾𝓬 spray leave-in. I'm just spraying that through the section. And then, y'all, I tried to use this, that 𝓼𝓻𝓸𝓭𝓾 iron guard for my hair. And it had been sitting in my mom's room for years. And I don't know why I thought that it was a good idea to use it. So I find out after blow drying this section that made my hair super sticky, like to a point where I couldn't even like move it when it was blow dried. So I eventually thought it was the other product that I used, which was I don't know what it's the SHEIN. It's another SHEIN. It's like a SHEIN heat protectant. I thought it was that and not the spray, so I stopped using that. And I kept using the spray, so I literally used that spray on like the majority of the bottom of my hair. And as you can see, like in this clip, my hair isn't straightening with the blow dryer because of that spray. And I didn't realize, so this like proclaim stuff that I'm putting on there, I'm thinking that this is making my hair sticky, and it was really the spray. So I'm just struggling for no reason. Like, y'all, look at my hair. My hair is never like blow dry like that. Like, look at that. That looks horrible. So I go and switch blow dryers, and it's just so much going on before I realize that it's that stupid spray, y'all. Like, dang. I can't do it. So now I'm gonna switch blow dryers. I'm still thinking, okay, maybe it was a blow dryer. But even though now my hair is getting straighter than what it was, it's still sticky. Like, it's super stiff. So you're just gonna see me struggle for about two minutes straight of just trying to blow dry my hair to a point where it wasn't sticky or it wasn't like stuck into place.
Dre, is that you?
At this point, I'm combing this hard because my hair is sticky, and I just was like, we're just gonna move on to the next section. So you see I did my little length check, and then I clipped away, or I twist up that section and I clip it away, and then I'm just gonna like skip ahead to the front of my hair because you guys have seen how I blow dried my hair without, you know, the difficulties that I was going through. So now that we're in the front of my hair, I didn't put anything in this section. This was the best section of hair that it came out with. So I skipped the leave-in, I skipped the heat protectant, all that. So we're gonna pray when I wash my hair again, because there's no heat protectant on the front of my hair whatsoever. Well, later when I straighten my hair there is, but like at this blow drying state, there's no heat protectant on there. when it's wet, I start at the tips of the hair to make sure I'm not like ripping out the hair. And then as the comb starts gliding through more easily, I just go up the shaft until I get to the root, and then I just keep constantly blow drying from root to end, root to end, root to end. Then when I take out all my hair, you can see the difference in like the elasticity in the right side of my hair versus the left side of my hair because of that stupid product that I was using. So I didn't show this part, but I went and like washed my hair in the bathtub to try and get all that product out. But from there, we're just gonna go on to straightening it because it was a struggle, y'all. Now we're gonna straighten it. Ah! Right, it's go time, so let me just go see how long it is. So y'all know I love 𝑒𝒹, and she had a tutorial on how to straighten your hair, so I followed it like literally word for word. So what I'm doing is I'm sectioning off my hair into smaller sections. That red stuff in the back, that's a good heat protectant. So I comb through the hair, then I take my heat protectant, take a whole bunch because we're not converting from heat damage when we get back. Speaking it into existence. Then I take my brush, I pass through with the flat iron, and then I pass through with the brush and the flat iron together. So I only do about 2 passes on maybe about 60% of my hair because some of it just wasn't necessary. Some of it straightened with 1 pass with the flat iron, and so I just continue that throughout the rest of my hair. The brush gets it a lot flatter than a comb would, and that flat iron is really hot. Please don't ask me what type of flat iron it is, but it did its job, so that's all that mattered. Now that I'm in the front of my hair, I'm just going to show you guys real time what I did. So that's me putting the heat protectant in, me brushing through my hair. Then I take the brush and I take the flat iron from the root, trying not to burn myself because God, that flat iron was hot. And I passed through 1 time with the flat iron and the brush together. So I did that for a lot of my hair because, like I said, it wasn't necessary to do 2 passes. And with that, we are done. All right. Here's all of it. Now, y'all, it's real uneven. Whew. It's bad. Ends are horrible. I haven't straightened my hair, like I said, in like 5 or 6 years. So now I'm about to cut the ends because, you know, health over length or whatever. So but yeah, let's get to cutting.
Oh yes, thick pass.
Okay, not you turning me away from the light.
Well, I have to see. Not you. I have to see.
All right, turn.
Jazzy, wait. You're dragging the hair everywhere.
You got it. Turn. Y'all, this side is so much. Stop turning. This side is so much longer. All right, let me stand up. Ah! Chair's on the way. Health over length. I just keep repeating that. All right, let's go do one more and then close out this video. You want to say hi? You want to get in the video? Okay. All right, you guys. So this is the final look. She's a cute, like, bra strap length. So now we're gonna grow her out evenly and healthfully. Healthfully, is that a word? We're gonna see. But if you like this video, thanks for watching. There's more where this came from. I'm back. I know I say that like every time I come back and then leave, but I swear I'm back this time. But like I said earlier, if you aren't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel, then click the little bell button next to the subscribe button so that you can be notified every time I post a new video, and then, you know, like and comment and all that other fun stuff. Yeah. All right, you guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.